Do not refrigerate these 8 foods. Find out why. Are you unknowingly ruining your favorite foods by storing them in the fridge? You might be surprised to learn that some foods actually thrive outside of refrigeration, maintaining their flavor, texture, and nutritional value. Let's uncover the secrets to proper food storage. Did you know that your refrigerator, while essential for many foods, can actually be detrimental to others? Let's explore 8 common foods that are better off left out of the cold. Refrigerating tomatoes is a common mistake that can significantly impact their taste and texture. The cold temperature breaks down the cell walls, leading to a mealy, flavorless tomato. Instead of refrigerating, store your tomatoes on the countertop. This allows them to maintain their sweetness and juiciness, giving you the best possible flavor. Potatoes undergo a chemical transformation when refrigerated. The cold temperature converts the starch in potatoes into sugar. This results in a sweet, unpleasant taste and can also affect their texture when cooked. Store potatoes in a cool, dark, well-ventilated place like a pantry or basement. Refrigerating onions can lead to a mushy texture and a loss of their pungent aroma. The moisture in the refrigerator can also cause them to spoil more quickly. Store onions in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place. A mesh bag or basket is ideal for allowing air to circulate and prevent moisture buildup. Similar to onions, garlic benefits from being stored at room temperature. Refrigeration can cause garlic to sprout prematurely and lose its distinctive flavor. Keep garlic in a cool, dark, well-ventilated place to maintain its quality. This will help prevent sprouting and preserve its potent flavor. If you're trying to ripen an avocado, the refrigerator is your enemy. Refrigeration significantly slows down the ripening process. This can result in a hard, less flavorful avocado. Store avocados at room temperature until they reach your desired level of ripeness. Bananas are another fruit that suffers in the refrigerator. The cold temperature causes the peel to turn brown and the flesh to become mushy. Store bananas at room temperature until they reach your desired ripeness. Once they are ripe, you can consider refrigerating them to slow down further ripening, but be aware of the textural changes. Refrigerating bread is a surefire way to dry it out and make it stale. The cold air draws moisture out of the bread, leading to a hard, unpleasant texture. Store bread at room temperature in a bread box or airtight container. This will help to maintain its moisture and prevent it from going stale too quickly. Honey is a naturally preserved food that doesn't require refrigeration. In fact, refrigerating honey can cause it to crystallize and become difficult to pour. Store honey in a cool, dark, dry place. This will help to maintain its smooth texture and prevent crystallization. Why do these foods fare better outside the refrigerator? The answer lies in their unique composition and the way they react to cold temperatures. Foods contain sensitive enzymes and compounds that are essential for their flavor, texture, and nutritional value. Refrigeration can disrupt these natural processes. This disruption can lead to undesirable changes in flavor, texture, and even safety. Understanding how different foods react to cold temperatures is key to proper storage. While these foods are best stored at room temperature, proper storage conditions are still crucial. A cool, dry, well-ventilated place is essential for maintaining their quality. Keep these foods away from direct sunlight and heat, as these can also accelerate spoilage. Regularly check for signs of spoilage before consuming. By following these simple storage tips, you can ensure that your favorite foods stay fresh, flavorful, and safe to eat. You'll be surprised at the difference it makes. So, are you ready to revolutionize your food storage habits? Start by taking these 8 foods out of your refrigerator and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more food storage tips and tricks. Also, share this video with your friends and family so they can learn how to properly store their food too.